All right, what's up everyone? So I wanted to do a quick little video of unboxing the Magicfest Commander box. So I went and bought this is the most expensive one. And what I wanted to do was open this. So I just got this today. It's still sealed, even a little damaged from the package. But majority of the things we know that should be in here for me is 4 non-foil soul rings, a foil soul ring, 4 non-foil pass, 4 foil pass. There's 4 random playmats, 4 random deck boxes. There is 2 sets, I believe, of the foil basic lands, and then there's some mystery things as far as like I think there's supposed to be like vendor products or prizes you would have got at the event if you would have went to a Magicfest. So anyways, let's open this guy up. Like I said, I just got this today. Today's April 27th, and I wanted to unbox it and show you guys what we are getting, because I know a lot of you guys are getting these. They're getting shipped out to you. Oh, there was also sleeves. That was the other thing, sleeves. So right here, first item on the top are some Planeswalker gloves. This is kind of neat. We'll have to see how those fit. So here are the deck boxes I got. One of them happens to be a Soul Ring deck box. That's pretty sweet for my Commander deck. Wow, it looks like all 4 of them are Soul Ring boxes. That's kind of nice. It's an interesting little thing to do to it. So let's see what else we get here. Oh, wow. All 4 of the sleeves are Soul Ring sleeves too. That's so very Soul Ring oriented with a lot of these things. So that's pretty interesting to see. I'll be surprised if one of these playmats is a Soul Ring playmat. That'll be pretty interesting. So here, what looks like to be all of the cards. So there's the 4 regular paths, and then there are the 4 foil paths. There is 1 foil Soul Ring, which will go in my Commander deck. And then there are 4 non-foil Soul Rings. And wow, I was actually wrong. It's 4, I forgot, it's 4 play sets of the foil Magicfest lands. So that's pretty cool. This is cool. I really hope that there's 4 of these in here. So before I open this, there's a lightning bolt in here, and I was actually eyeing these lightning bolts the other day, thinking about buying 4 of these, and that would be super sick if there was 4 of them. Nope, there isn't, but that's fine. So last year Magicfest lands are in here, 1 set. There is a Grand Prix Mutavault and 1 of the Magicfest lightning bolts from last year. So that's cool. I really only have to get 3 of those now. So here are all these peanuts coming out of here. These are the mats that I got. So let's see what random mats we got. So Grand Prix Richmond mat. That one's kind of nice. It says Brawl Championship 2018. Okay. This one's really pretty. I like this one, the Phoenix one. Yeah, that's a nice one. I already have this mat, but it's nice to have a brand new version of it because it's kind of getting worn thin. Is the Vindiclick. This is one of my favorite mats. I was really hoping to get the Force of Will one, but I doubt it because I'm sure there's a lot of people that bought the Selector playmat and got the Force of Will one. And so here is, I believe this is Cinder Vines, which that's pretty cool. And then what is this at the bottom? There's an envelope at the bottom here. It doesn't have anything on it. It's completely sealed. So let's see what this thing is. I'm gonna assume that this is probably like an artist print or something, which that's what it looks like. Ooh, Death's Shadow. That's a pretty good one. Wow, I like that. That's actually a pretty cool print. I think I'm gonna get a frame for that guy and put that one up on the wall behind me here. Well, that is everything that I got in my box. I'm actually quite surprised at the lightning bolt and mutavolt and the other things. I'm a little disappointed. Now, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed that all 4 of these were the Soul Ring boxes. I mean, one would be cool, but I think maybe doing 3 other, maybe one of them being like the lightning bolt, another one being a path, something like that, that would have been cool. But you know what? I mean, can't complain too much. I definitely got sleeves for days. I really don't have to worry about sleeves anymore. That's kind of nice. But yeah, that's the box. That's what comes in it if you guys haven't got yours yet. So that's more than likely what's going to be in yours if you ordered this edition. If you ordered the other ones, I'm pretty sure your 1 deck box will probably be this. Your 1 set of sleeves will probably be the Soul Ring sleeves. Oh yes, this is probably the 4th. I was like, what was the 4th thing? So the lightning bolt, the mutavolts, the lands, and the gloves are the 4 prizes I got for the vendor prizes. So be on the lookout. That's probably what you're going to be getting too. But if not, I would be curious to see. Comment down below. What were the 4 vendor prizes you got if you got this box? What are the vendor prize you got if you got the 2X or the 1X or whatever box? Let me know what you guys got. It'd be cool to see what everybody's been getting. But like I said, just want to do a quick video. It was something I've been waiting for. Thought it was something cool that Channel Fireball and Wizards and all them did because of the whole pandemic and canceling all the Magic Fest. So that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless.